Which is the highest mountain peak in India? A. Kanchenjunga. B. Mount Everest. C. Nanda Devi. D. K2. Answer. A. Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga, located in the Himalayan range in Sikkim, is the highest peak in India at 8,586 meters above sea level. Which of the following mountain ranges is known as the abode of snow? A. Aravalli Range. B. Western Ghats. C. Himalayas. D. Satpura Range. Answer. C. Himalayas. The Himalayas are called the abode of snow because many of their peaks are perpetually covered with snow. Which mountain range separates the northern plains from the Deccan Plateau? A. Satpura Range. B. Vindhya Range. C. Aravalli Range. D. Western Ghats. Answer. B. Vindhya Range. The Vindhya Range acts as a natural divide between the northern plains and the Deccan Plateau. In which state are the Annamalai Hills located? A. Karnataka. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Kerala. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer. B. Tamil Nadu. The Annamalai Hills are located in Tamil Nadu and are part of the Western Ghats. Which mountain range is the oldest in India? A. Aravalli Range. B. Himalayas. C. Western Ghats. D. Satpura Range. Answer. A. Aravalli Range. The Aravalli Range is the oldest mountain range in India, dating back to the Proterozoic era. The Western Ghats are also known as A. Sahyadri Hills. B. Nilgiri Hills. C. Cardamom Hills. D. Annamalai Hills. Answer. A. Sahyadri Hills. The Western Ghats are commonly referred to as the Sahyadri Hills, which are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Deccan Plateau is flanked by which two mountain ranges? A. Vindhya and Aravalli. B. Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. C. Himalayas and Satpura. D. Nilgiri and Cardamom. Answer. B. Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. The Deccan Plateau is bordered by the Western Ghats to the west and the Eastern Ghats to the east. The Nilgiri Hills are part of which mountain range? A. Aravalli Range. B. Western Ghats. C. Eastern Ghats. D. Himalayas. Answer. B. Western Ghats. The Nilgiri Hills are a part of the Western Ghats and are located at the junction of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Karnataka. Which mountain range is home to the Great Indian Desert? A. Vindhya Range. B. Aravalli Range. C. Satpura Range. D. Western Ghats. Answer. B. Aravalli Range. The Aravalli Range lies near the Great Indian Desert, Thar Desert, and provides some protection against desert expansion. The Eastern Ghats are spread across which states? A. Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Orissa. B. Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala. C. Orissa, West Bengal, Bihar. D. Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra. Answer. A. Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Orissa. The Eastern Ghats stretch through Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Orissa along the eastern coast. The Karakoram Range is famous for which glacier? A. Siachen Glacier. B. Gangotri Glacier. C. Zemu Glacier. D. Pindri Glacier. Answer. A. Siachen Glacier. The Karakoram Range is home to the Siachen Glacier, the second longest glacier outside the polar regions. The Satpura Range runs parallel to which river? A. Ganga. B. Yamuna. C. Narmada. D. Godavari. Answer. C. Narmada. The Satpura Range runs parallel to the Narmada River, forming a natural boundary between northern and southern India. What is the highest peak of the Western Ghats? A. Animudi. B. Dodabetta. C. Mullayanagiri. D. Vavulmala. Answer. A. Animudi. Animudi, at 2,695 meters, is the highest peak in the Western Ghats and is located in Kerala. Which mountain range is referred to as the Blue Mountains? A. Nilgiri Hills. B. Annamalai Hills. C. Western Ghats. D. Satpura Range. Answer. A. Nilgiri Hills. The Nilgiri Hills are called the Blue Mountains due to the bluish tinge of their vegetation. Where is the Cardamom Hills located? A. Kerala. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Karnataka. D. Orissa. Answer. A. Kerala. The Cardamom Hills are located in Kerala and are part of the Western Ghats. Which range is known as the Purvanchal Range? A. Eastern Ghats. B. Northeastern Hills. C. Vindhya Range. D. Aravalli Range. Answer. B. Northeastern Hills. The Purvanchal Range refers to the hills of northeastern India, including the Patkai, Naga, and Leshai Hills. The Sivalik Hills are also known as A. Himachal Range. B. Sub-Himalayas. C. Great Himalayas. D. Middle Himalayas. Answer. B. Sub-Himalayas. The Sivalik Hills, also called the Sub-Himalayas, are the outermost range of the Himalayas. What is the approximate age of the Himalayas? A. 250 million years. B. 40 to 50 million years. C. 500 million years. D. 150 million years. Answer. B. 40 to 50 million years. The Himalayas were formed about 40 to 50 million years ago due to the collision of the Indian plate with the Eurasian plate. The Zojila Pass connects which two regions? A. Leh and Srinagar. B. Manali and Leh. C. Jammu and Shimla. D. Dehradun and Mussoorie. Answer. A. Leh and Srinagar. The Zojila Pass in the Himalayas connects Leh in Ladakh to Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir. The Dhauladhar Range is a part of which larger range? A. Eastern Ghats. B. Western Ghats. C. Lesser Himalayas. D. Aravalli Range. Answer. C. Lesser Himalayas. The Dhauladhar Range is a prominent sub-range of the Lesser Himalayas in Himachal Pradesh. Which mountain range is known as the watershed of central India? A. Vindhya Range. B. Satpura Range. C. Aravalli Range. D. Western Ghats. Answer. B. Satpura Range. The Satpura Range is called the watershed of central India, as many rivers originate here. Which peak is the highest in the Eastern Ghats? A. Mahendragiri. B. Armakonda. C. Nalamala. D. Chikmagalur. Answer. B. Armakonda. Armakonda, located in Andhra Pradesh, is the highest peak in the Eastern Ghats at 1,680 meters. The Khasi and Garo Hills are part of which range? A. Aravalli Range. B. Purvanchal Range. C. Eastern Ghats. D. Western Ghats. Answer. B. Purvanchal Range. The Khasi and Garo Hills in Meghalaya are part of the Purvanchal Range. What is the significance of the Malwa Plateau? A. It is part of the Eastern Ghats. B. It is bounded by the Aravalli and Vindhya ranges. C. It is located in southern India. D. It is part of the Satpura Range. Answer. B. It is bounded by the Aravalli and Vindhya ranges. The Malwa Plateau lies between the Aravalli and Vindhya ranges in central India. Which mountain pass connects Himachal Pradesh to Tibet? A. Rotang Pass. B. Mana Pass. C. Shipkila. D. Zojila Pass. Answer. C. Shipkila. Shipkila is a mountain pass that connects Himachal Pradesh to Tibet. The Girnar Hills are located in which state? A. Rajasthan. B. Gujarat. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Maharashtra. Answer. B. Gujarat. The Girnar Hills are located in Gujarat and are considered sacred. Which pass is located in the Aravalli Range? A. Thal Ghat. B. Haldi Ghati. C. Natula. D. Pal Ghat. Answer. B. Haldi Ghati. Haldi Ghati is a mountain pass in the Aravalli Range, known for the famous battle fought here. The Kumaon Hills are part of which mountain range? A. Eastern Ghats. B. Western Ghats. C. Himalayas. D. Satpura Range. Answer. C. Himalayas. The Kumaon Hills are part of the Lesser Himalayas in Uttarakhand. The Annamalai Hills are famous for which peak? A. Animudi. B. Dodabet. C. Mahendragiri. D. Armakonda. Answer. A. Animudi. Animudi, the highest peak in South India, is located in the Annamalai Hills. What is the highest peak of the Aravalli Range? A. Guru Shikhar. B. Mount Abu. C. Haldi Ghati. D. Kamur Hills. Answer. A. Guru Shikhar. Guru Shikhar, at 1,722 meters, is the highest peak in the Aravalli Range. Which river flows between the Vindhya and Satpura ranges? A. Yamuna. B. Chambal. C. Narmada. D. Godavari. Answer. C. Narmada. The Narmada River flows between the Vindhya and Satpura ranges, creating a rift valley. Which is the highest peak in the Karakoram range? A. Nanga Parbat. B. K2. C. Everest. D. Kanchenjunga. Answer B. K2. K2, also known as Mount Godwin Austen, is the highest peak in the Karakoram range at 8,611 meters. The Biligiriranga Hills are located in which state? A. Kerala. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Karnataka. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer C. Karnataka. The Biligiriranga Hills are located in Karnataka and are known for their wildlife sanctuary. The Khasi Hills are primarily known for which phenomenon? A. Biodiversity. B. High rainfall. C. Tea plantations. D. Glaciers. Answer B. High rainfall. The Khasi Hills in Meghalaya are known for receiving some of the highest rainfall in the world.